Hey everyone, this is Chris here in Fairfax, Virginia. We get a lot of questions about different vacuums that we work on and repair. We just want to let everybody know that we are the premier Electrolux authorized dealer here in Northern Virginia. We do all the service work, calls, we do all the service work, all the repair work, warranty work, things like that. So if you have an Electrolux, whether it's new or whether it's 30 years old, if it's not working, it's not picking up, it's not running the way that you like for it to run, you can bring it in to us. We have a no obligation free estimate, so it doesn't cost you anything for us to take a look at it. We're here 7 days a week, Monday through Friday, from 10 to 6, Saturday 9 to 5, Sunday 11 to 5. Basically, you just bring it in. If it's not picking up, it's not turning on, there's no suction, it smells like it's burning, roller's not spinning. These are a lot of the common issues that we see in the Electrolux. We do offer same day repairs. If it's something that's pretty old that maybe we have to order parts for, special order for, it may take 24 to 48 hours to get that work done, but we can get it done, and most parts we can get for the Electrolux and all the Aris products. So if you're in need of Electrolux repair and you don't know where to go, we are the premier Electrolux service center here in Northern Virginia and the surrounding areas, so DC, Baltimore. So if you're having any questions, give us a call here at 703-997-9292. You could also check us out online at www.acevacuums.com, and we can help you out with all the cleaning, service, and repair needs for your Electrolux. Hope you guys have a great day. If you need anything, give us a holler. Thanks.